This is my JetKVM, and I've been looking for an excuse to open this up and check out what's inside for quite a while now. The purpose of this device is to control any computer remotely. I'm going to open up the box, see what's inside, and connect up a computer and see if I can control it remotely. First things first, rip open the plastic. Right, we have one JetKVM, some cables, and a little getting started guide. Plug the USB-C and mini HDMI cables from the KVM into the computer you want to control. I've got this USB-C double adapter cable, HDMI mini. That goes there. That goes there. Rightio. I've got my JetKVM. Into the router. USB connector. And HDMI connector. And according to that, everything's ready to go. I have IP address, JetKVM is connected, HDMI is connected, USB is disconnected. I'm going to remove this dinky double adapter cable and plug the USB directly. Now I have USB connected and HDMI connected and an IP address. According to the quick start sheet, I just type in the IP address of the JetKVM and hit enter, and I should be able to access my computer remotely, if it's not asleep, that is. Would help if I entered the address correctly. Alright, looks like I'm talking to JetKVM. It's asking me to set it up. I'm going to set up with a password here. Right, now I am connected. I can see the JetKVM being very useful for headless setups, in particular for Raspberry Pi projects, to save a lot of messing around with SSH, PuTTY, and a whole heap of other command line tools. It's very quick and easy to set up. It was definitely a worthwhile purchase. Thanks for watching. See you next time.